Very surprised.
As you can see.
Very.
Oh, really made that. That's made our Christmas a bit easier.
Hello, Santa.
Good morning.
Yeah, with the lifeboats RNLI.
Ah, brilliant. Yeah, what a brilliant thing that would be to do. Wonderful. You like riding the boats, driving the boats and everything? And fixing them up?
Yeah, I like fixing more than driving.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
And I hear you worked for Sunseeker for a short while, is that right?
Yeah, that was a good experience.
I bet it was, yeah, with super yachts and things, isn't it? How brilliant is that? What did you do?
She does property conveyancing.
Ah, property conveyancing. Wonderful stuff. Well, yeah, make sure that they convey those chimneys well enough for me, of course, so I can get myself down.
Yeah.
And I know, Mandy, you volunteer, aren't you, as well? So, and I know, Tyler, you do too. So, at the local lunch club, isn't it, I think?
Yeah.
Is that right? Tell me a bit about what you do there.
About 80 to 90 diners come on a Wednesday normally before the shutdown.
Wow.
And they all have a 2-course meal. And we have a little raffle, and at Easter and Christmas they all have a special bonus gift. And Tyler Iden, Lydney, they bring all the diners from the local area over to Coford.
Brilliant.
And it's really nice because, you know, they're having a hot meal and they're having a bit of company at least once a week, and we both love it.
That's wonderful.
And the old ladies absolutely love Tyler.
I bet
they all
they do.
pay him a little. They slip him some money to take him down in the lift with their wheelchairs and everything.
Just want to say how brilliantly we think you've both done. How wonderful it is, giving something back to the community. But Tyler, I hear that you use your pocket money to buy homeless people food as well. Is that right?
Yeah.
What a cause that is for them, which is such a great person that you are. What a wonderful thing to do. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily, new old-fashioned way. Well done, brilliant, Amanda. Thank you. Was that a knock at the door, or was that?
It was the doorbell.
Brilliant. Okay, well. My time with you is finished, but yeah, if you would like to accompany Mum to the door, Tyler, then you should find my special helpers, who I've sent specially from the North Pole for you today, and go and enjoy everything this morning.
Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful time, guys. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
It's been a tough year. Paul's got heart and lung condition. Tyler's had to step up to the plate. He has got learning problems, but he's done a real good job. And he helps look after Paul as well, and it's been quite a burden on his shoulders. But he's coped quite well. Has affected him a little bit. But I just wanted to give them a treat because I think they deserved it.
Right.
So, well, thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
I couldn't believe it because I got the email when I was on the way to hospital quite poorly myself.
We didn't know. I didn't know nothing about this.
Happy tears. It's quite nice when unexpected things happen,
Yeah.
and it is really nice to, well, be so lucky, really.